So I've got this little vise and I've got some leftover vinegar. Let's just see what we can do. G'day everybody. During today's search for some bits for the Ford, I found this little thing which I got with another thing way back when. And given our spectacular success with the vinegar, I thought we'd dunk this and see what it comes out like. It's quite cute, and we might be able to make it work again. Let's find a bucket. Well, that'll do. Oh look, here's some more. Righto, well, we'll give that till tomorrow morning. We'll come and have a look. Oh, let the lid. Oh, more bloody vinegar on the fingers. We'll let that have a soak and we'll see what it does. It's already got bubbles forming. How cool is this vinegar stuff? 12 hours in and there are bubbles coming off of it. It's a bit hard to see. There we go. We're underway. Look at them all. It was very cold last night, so we'll see if the warm day makes this go any faster. So after 20 odd hours, we're starting to see the water darken. So we'll leave it till the morning. We'll give it a rinse off and then it's going back in for another week. So we've been in the drink 24 hours. Now, if this wasn't going back in, it'd be getting bicarb. And here's what happens when you take all the rust off. You find out that it's broken. Now, I'm not going to abandon all hope here, because there's always a way to fix stuff. But it does need to go back in and get all the rust removed. So looks like it's on a homemade base. So there's going to be some grinding and some welding and some repairs going on, but not in this episode. So we'll stick it back in the vinegar, we'll clean it all up, and then we'll work out how exactly we're going to save this. See you next time. Need more vinegar.